Hey, have you started the peer review assignment yet?
Not yet, but I know it's important for improving our writing. Our classmates have the same experiences with learning content we do, and they are a great test audience to give us ideas about our writing.
Exactly. Peer review helps us strengthen our arguments and structure.
I heard we get a classmate's draft and a rubric to guide us, right? I think the key will be to provide truly meaningful commentary to the work of our classmates. Each paper we review will need our attention to detail.
Yes, that's right. Reading the draft first without comments is a good way to understand the flow. I've also heard reading a paper backwards, or at least last paragraph to first paragraph, is a great way to catch mistakes in grammar and sentence structure that you might miss if you read things front to back instead.
Got it. Then I should add comments focusing on the thesis and organization only after I've read it twice. Grammar is important, but it's the content and the clarity of that content in relationship to the thesis and organization that matter most, right?
Exactly. And don't forget to use the praise, question, Polish method for your feedback.
I remember that method. It's when we make sure we identify something we find in the paper that is effective or strong, then we ask a question about something we find could use improvement or we don't understand, and then offer a suggestion to polish the draft so it is a more focused and stronger thesis overall. In other words, I should start with what works well, then ask questions, and suggest improvements?
Yes. And make sure to follow the rubric closely. It's there to help us cover all the key points. The rubric is also probably how the paper's final draft will be graded by the professor, so using the rubric as a tool for giving peer feedback is one great way to help our classmates achieve their best.
What about writing the summary feedback at the end where we provide a paragraph or detailed reflection about what we see in the draft that is working or not working overall? I want to make sure I do that right.
Just be honest and respectful. Summarize your overall thoughts clearly for the writer in a paragraph or two. And if you get nervous or afraid you might hurt someone's feeling, remember to start with praise and inquiry and also to think about the purpose. We all want to do well with our papers, right? So giving each other feedback that really helps us improve is one way to ensure we do our best on the final draft.
Right. So when I receive feedback, I should take it seriously and use it to improve my draft because I'm giving feedback to someone just like me. I'm giving feedback to another student who is learning what I'm learning and working toward the same goal I am, so helping each other is the right thing to do.
Exactly. It's all about growth as a writer. We learn from each other through this process.
I'm feeling more confident about this now, and I hope you are, too. Let's just be sure to review the guidelines from the instructor about what exactly we need to include.
Thanks for the tips. Let's help each other out and make our writing even better.